I don't know who this is, but he's ghosting. Oh, nice. AC-44. Nice cheap 40. Bringing down some Gonds for Paulsboro. CA-36, I think. Toot toot. They just picked these up off of Westville siding. And on the other side I got MI-61. I don't know if he's going south or going north. I'm guessing he's going north, but I don't know. Man, that's a lot of graffiti on that thing. It's a perfect night, man. It's a perfect night. So nice.
On this track, you'll be, you won't be doing 7 next. You'll be heading out to control siding and grab the control siding.
Slow rolling.
I got Dick and Joe heading to the west end of 18, so when you do come around, he'll be down there with paperwork.
I like these drop ones. I like these ones. These drop ones better than the other ones.
Handheld on the west end.
Big truck. Must be 1,000 gondolas on this. Picking up speed. I was going to hop it. It's going a little too fast now. He just crossed the line.
We'll have to be okay.
Yeah, let's still go. Man. A-OK. That's it.
That's 36 clear.
One clean, unmolested one on the end.